Effective leaders are key to your organization's success. Inspire your leaders to take their teams to the next level with our upcoming academy, Leadership Essentials, led by world-renowned leadership experts, authors, speakers, and executives. Your leaders will go through skill blocks to help them start thinking like a leader by developing a leadership mindset with Kevin Eikenberry, author of Remarkable Leadership, Bud to Boss, The Long Distance Leader, and more. Give more effective feedback by cultivating trust, separating fact from emotion, and more with speaker, strategist, and author Meredith Elliott Powell. Hone leadership communication skills to align teams, resolve conflict, and ask better questions with coaching and accountability experts and authors Karen Hurt and David Dye. Lead fearlessly through change by helping teams break through barriers and develop a change vision with Scott Mounts, speaker and author of Leading from the Middle. Let's develop your leaders at every level. Join us for our upcoming academy, Leadership Essentials, to develop leaders who drive results.